Hi y'all, I'm Lori with the Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsay with Always Yarn First.
And today we are doing the Sock Yarn Society unboxing for July. Sock Yarn Society. We are so excited, and I know I say this literally every single
month. Do you
month.
love this color?
I love it. I love everything about this. It is so much fun for me to put these things together. And then the group, we put all of the components together, and it's so much fun, and you'll have no idea how much crazy goes into it.
Well, I now know
what
crazy goes into it, because now that I'm working here officially, this isn't an unboxing for me because I've seen it, but it's fun to see all the hard work that goes into it, because all the girls and I now have contributed into this box, and the many hours put into making it look perfect, which is what it is.
It's kind of my thing that it has to look perfect.
Yep.
I wish I wasn't that way, but I am, because I want it to be perfect for you.
It's a perfectly curated box.
Well, when you get it, it's important to me that I want you going, I love this. And maybe you don't do that, and that's okay too, but in my mind, I envision y'all doing that.
Yeah, no.
I mean, that's what I do.
People do.
Anyway, this month's yarn is called It's Gonna Be a Good Day. The card is always an indication of maybe what the color might be. And don't forget that on the back, underneath this holographic, this is a scratch off, and this tells you that you're going to get 15% off. So in addition to the cost of your package, you also get 15% off anything in the store
for that month.
Right. Yes.
And I want to show it like this. So you're going to get it. The stitch markers are in here. We're just trying to protect them. So look for your stitch markers. They're just tucked in here. Show the yarn first.
And it's going to be a good day. And I wanted to tell you one thing. So on the label, this from now on, we're putting on here what month and year it is for you. And I apologize that we didn't think about doing that sooner, but we've corrected that mid-year. And so they're going to be having the months and the years on from now on, so that you know. So it's easier for you to keep track of.
Well, that works well for you. You're working on last year's color, and I know at one point you would message me, which is the next one?
Exactly. So it'll be much a big help to me if we can do that.
All right. So let's show the stitch markers. So beautiful.
I love the girls made the Arkansas stitch marker is almost an exact match to the yarn.
Yeah.
I love it so much.
And all the goodies are in this little pouch. You can see the stitch stoppers. It's going to be a good day.
It's going to be a good day.
And then we have...
So we are including in this time, this is a 60-inch stitch holder cord and 2 clear stoppers to go on each end. So basically what you do, if you've never used these cords, you are going to stick them on the ends of your needles, pull all of your stitches onto that, and then you use these little stoppers on each end so that you can try your sweater on.
Yeah.
These are so much fun, and I can't even imagine not having these. I was in Rockwall, Texas last weekend, and I used these like 3 different times. I ripped out my sweater and began again because all 3 times my sweater was entirely too big. Yeah. So it's a very nice little luxury item to have in your bag. I love this. I love this tee. This is a new tee, and as always, we work really hard to make sure that we have it where it's going to coordinate. And so this is Wild Berry Refresher Herbal, and it's full of berries: raspberries, strawberries, blueberries,
and lavender.
And I'm super excited, and as always we try to make sure that this tea matches our package.
Yeah.
So
and then of course the stoppers.
Needle toppers, yes, I love those so much.
Yep.
So anyway, I think so that is the July box. We're super excited that you're getting it. We would love to hear from you. What are you making with your Sock Yarn Society this year? Since we kind of have, I'm still working on my one from last year, and I'm getting ready to put September in, and so I'm like really lagging behind, and so I have a whole year. I have 6 months already that I haven't done anything with yet.
Yeah.
But I might make that marled cardigan that Jessica made from Stephen West. That's a really cool sweater.
Yeah.
And then one thing before we leave, I just wanted to remind everybody that July 17th through the 24th is the I'm sorry, I have had the hardest time with the dates on this year. The July 19th through the 27th is the Arkansas Yarn Crawl. And y'all, let me tell you this. The first weekend, the first Friday is the 19th. We have Tristan from Dragon Horde Yarn going to be here. And she's going to give us a talk about how she submits her patterns to get into the Tanis Gray books.
Yeah.
I think there was a Disney one, a Star Trek one. I don't remember.
I think Star Wars,
Harry Potter.
Mm-hmm.
And so she gets her patterns submitted in there. So she's going to be talking to us, and we get to see patterns that didn't make it in. So I am so excited. It's going to be a VIP event. As always, we will sell tickets to that so that we know how many of our fabulous, famous goodie bags, swag bags to make. So anyway, tickets are going to be going on sale for that event, and there's limited seating. I think there's going to be only 35 or 40 seats. So be watching. If you don't have our app, download our app, because that is what we send to everyone first. Before we put it out on social media, we let our subscribers have first access. So if you want early access to those tickets, download our app and make sure your notifications are turned on.
And also sign up for the newsletter online, because we're going to post a calendar of events. There's lots of fun things going on for the Yarn Crawl.
If y'all don't know already, Lindsay does our newsletter for us, and she does an amazing job. And so we are just thinking of all the ways that we can stay in contact with you.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think that is all for now. How about you?
Are you excited for next month's color?
I'm so excited. Y'all, I had the whole year planned out. Next month is going to be so freaking gorgeous. I mean,
I'm excited for it.
So beautiful. It's so beautiful. So I'll be getting that dyed next week. So,
but come and see us.
Yes.
Yarn Crawl or summer vacation.
Plan on bringing a project and sitting and hanging out with us for a while. We love that. And during the Yarn Crawl, there's going to be at least 30 to 40 people sitting in the store all day, every day, just hanging out with us.
And from all over.
Yes. From
regularly
all around the
to
States.
see us.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're like so excited to have the Yarn Crawl and see all of our friends.
Really
and
exciting.
We would love it if you would join us too.
Yeah.
Anyway, I hope that y'all have a really great day. Thank you so much, and we will see you next month. Bye, y'all.
Bye.